So I wanted to share with you my daily conversations that I have with a lot of patients across the United States and around the world. There are many women who reach out saying that, you know what, about a decade ago, I had whether asymmetric breasts or breasts that were not quite perky, and I went to a surgeon and they gave me an option to do an implant. At that time, it seemed like to be the right option, but over time, what's happened is that I feel that my breasts have gotten larger, they sag more. And I think that's so true of so many women because about a decade ago, the only option on the table was really to do an implant. The benefit of it was that, well, there's going to be a very minimal scar. The problem that people didn't know was that over time, especially as you have weight gain, weight loss, or multiple pregnancies, the breast skin tends to stretch. I think it makes a lot more sense today to go ahead with the option of removing the implant, to do a lift with the fat grafting, which is using your own tissue, and not having to worry about the concern of doing implants, which really require multiple surgeries over time. So that's why I came up with the idea of NaturaBra. So NaturaBra essentially uses your own breast tissue as an internal mechanism to boost the breast up and hold it in position so that you have all the benefits of having your own breast tissue in the right place without having to resort to an implant to give you that fullness effect or the cleavage effect. Something that's very worthwhile to think about. Please make sure you look at the options that are available. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have.